Opinion: Best characters in Marvel Strike Force. Marvel Strike Force is a turn-based strategy game that features over 200 characters from the Marvel Universe. You can build your own team of heroes and villains and compete in various modes, such as Campaign, Raid, Blitz, and Arena. The best characters in Marvel Strike Force are those that have high stats, powerful abilities, and good synergy with other characters. Some of the best characters in Marvel Strike Force are Cersei, a cosmic controller who can manipulate reality and heal her allies. She is part of the Eternals team and can deal massive damage with her Cosmic Blast and Cosmic Transmutation abilities. Omega Red, a mutant brawler who can drain the life force of his enemies and spread debuffs. He is part of the Weapon X team and can unleash his Death Spores and Carbonadium Coils abilities. Dr. Doom, a tech controller who can summon Doombots and use his ultimate nullifier and time platform abilities. He is part of the Doom team and can dominate the battlefield with his high damage and utility. Phoenix, a mutant controller who can transform into Dark Phoenix and unleash her Phoenix Force and Dark Phoenix abilities. She is part of the X-Men team and can sacrifice herself to revive and empower her allies. Symbiote Spider-Man, a city controller who can web up his enemies and use his symbiote tendrils and web slam abilities. He is part of the Symbiotes team and can heal himself and his allies with his passive ability.